Welcome to School Maza. Akansha Foundation, late Anantrao Pawar Memorial English Medium School has completed its 15 incredible years. The celebration began with a lighting of lamp at the hand of our chief guest. Our chief guest delivered speeches.
I want to congratulate everyone on this amazing 15th year anniversary that the school has had. It's been a great journey and it's a great privilege and honor for Jayashree and me to be here to celebrate this with you together. Really well done.
Parents, Sarvanna, good morning. Afternoon नहीं हुआ अभी morning ही है. Okay. First principal 15 साल, first batch बच्चों की, first batch parents की. There are a lot of memories, and to condense them in 3 to 4 minutes, it's going to be really hard. I took one cue from Shruti Didi when she was talking. I think I'll start with expressing my gratitude to all of you, and I think that will summarize my journey and your journey along with the whole school. मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलूँगी क्योंकि हमारे पेरेंट्स भी हैं और इंग्लिश मिक्स हिंदी बोल दूँगी. So we all can be part of this. सबसे पहले I don't know if you've all seen, especially the students, स्कूल जब शुरू हुआ था डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद स्कूल में in Mupodi in 3 classrooms, and I think the first gratitude goes to all the parents क्योंकि उन्होंने तब आकांक्षा का स्कूल और वहाँ पे जो सिखाने आ रहे टीचर्स उन पे पूरा विश्वास रखा, एंड पेरेंट्स ने बच्चों को हाथ पकड़ के ले आए और कहा कि इसी स्कूल में हमें बच्चे को सिखाना है. सो तब से लेके अब तक जो पेरेंट्स ने विश्वास दिखाया है, कंट्रीब्यूट किया है आपके साथ, घर पे स्कूल में वो काम करते हैं, and then they share the same vision as the school has and Akanksha has. So thank you so much for parents. Very rightly, like Shruti Didi said, the next thank you and gratitude goes to all the teachers. There have been teachers who've been here for 15 years and longer. There have been teachers who have probably moved on to something else, but they still continue to be in the school and share the same vision. And they also take the vision of Akanksha outside wherever they are working and whatever they are doing. So to all the past founding teachers, current teachers, and all of the volunteers and every adult and staff that has contributed to this, my gratitude to them. I think the next very important part of the team that makes the school really run and make the place we are now enjoying and learning goes to our all helper didis and all our staff that works behind the scenes all the time. हमारे यहाँ हमारी दीदीज हैं जिन्होंने सबसे पहले दिन से स्कूल की शुरुआत होने से अभी तक, मैं नाम इसलिए नहीं ले रही हूँ क्योंकि एक का लूँ दूसरे का नहीं लूँ तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, तो सारी दीदीज और भैया शुरू से जब ये बिल्डिंग बन रही थी तब से लेके पुरानी बिल्डिंग से यहाँ शिफ्ट होने के लिए, यू ऑल आर नॉट सीन, यू आर वेरी यंग, यू प्रॉब्ली नॉट इन द स्कूल ऑल्सो दैट टाइम, लेकिन आपके जो बड़े दीदी भैया हैं उन्होंने ये चेंजेस देखी हुई है और उनकी मेहनत के बिना हम आज ये दिन और ये स्पेस एंजॉय नहीं कर पाते, राइट. And the last one goes to all of you or all your older didis and bhaiyas. So सबसे पहले there is always a first sports day, there is always a first field trip, there is always a first student council, there is always a first library. जब first करना होता है ना, there is lot of learning and hard work that goes into it. तो आपके जो बड़े दीदी भैया हैं, अभी जो colleges में हैं, अभी वो कुछ दीदी भैया भारत के बाहर हैं जो यूनिवर्सिटीज में पढ़ रहे हैं, उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी है ये फर्स्ट सारा तैयार करके फिर हमें उसकी लर्निंग से और बेहतर करने के लिए जो आप अभी सबको यहाँ पे मिला है. सो लेट्स हैव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल आवर ओल्डर दीदीज एंड फ्रेंड्स.
The path to 15 years is not easy, but every challenge has been a stepping stone towards where we are today. innovation and values go hand in hand. We have seen countless achievements right from sports, learning and art, and every achievement, big or small, is a testament to our hard work, dedication and the passion of our students, teachers, staff and parents.
A poetry book by our budding poets called Echoes of Expression was launched. Interview with the budding poets was taken. Let's connect to get more details.
What inspired you to start writing?
I would like to share on this. It all started last year when two of my friends' article got published in my paper, which as well inspired me to start poetry. And the main thought behind this was, if my friends could do that, why can't I? And yeah, this is how I got inspired to start my poetry.
That's great, Nisha.
I wanted to go next. I always love to read poems. For a change, I thought I should write a poem. Many poets have inspired me to start poetry. My class teacher Sakshi Didi suggested me a competition held in school to write poem. Then I write a poem that got published in our school poetry book that inspired me to write more.
Let's move to our next question. What advice would you give to other students who might want to start writing poetry?
My advice for the future poets who are willing to start your journey with the poetry is that to start small and write honestly from your heart. Let your thoughts and emotions flow naturally. Don't aim for perfection. Explore different types of poetry for inspiration and experiment with your style. Most importantly, be patient with yourself and enjoy the process, because poetry is about expressing yourself and not following strict rules.
I like to add something. Reading poetry is one of the best way to learn how to write poetry. It is always difficult till it done.
That's beautiful advice, the two of you. This brings us to our final question. Describe in one word or a phrase what is your idea of Echoes of Expression.
For me, I think it's whispers of heart.
Whispers of heart.
Sharing of feelings.
Sharing of feelings.
Reflection of thoughts.
Reflection of thoughts.
The power of words.
Power of words.
Unspoken stories.
Unspoken stories. That's so beautiful. With that, we come to the end of our panel interview. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and experiences. Your words remind us all of the beauty and power of self-expression. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
Musical journey of 15 years of LAPMEMS was showcased through student performances. Let's enjoy watching those.
I'm fine. Did you see the fight yesterday? They were fighting so much like children and had become enemies of each other. Will our society remain like this? Who can improve our children?
What happened? Why are you so worried?
What should I tell you, brother? Everyone is fed up with the daily wailing and fights of these kids. There is no proper school that can help in improving the children.
Hey, I have heard that the new school is going to be started here too, which is run by Akansha.
No one can make us do that. All that is required is that our children should be improved.
Oh yes, we need school the most of the children to improve today. The whole development of children depends on school only.
So come on, brother. Let's go to the school. Hello, Didi.
Hello.
Didi, we want to get our children admitted in Akansha school. So we need some information.
Didi, there are a lot of activities in our school which make it easier for children to study.
Like we teach different skills to the children which improves their life skill. Apart from this advisory, co-curricular activity, career awareness, they also make goal setting for self-identification. All of this make it easier for children to identify their strengths and weakness. Apart from this, learn by doing is also conducted, which makes it easier for children to understand concepts in studies.
If our children learn all this learning, then they will also be able to acquire good qualities.
If all these skills are acquired by your children, then your children will also become aware citizens.
सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे। पल 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 रोशनी जो मिली स्कूल की, चमकाओगे तुम बन के तारे। सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे। पल 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 रोशनी जो मिली स्कूल की, चमकाओगे तुम बन के तारे। कॉपी और किताबें सारी
स्कूल देगा, स्कूल देगा,
यूनिफॉर्म भी तुम्हारी।
स्कूल देगा, स्कूल देगा।
स्कूल अब घर से दूर नहीं है,
हम हो गए फासले,
पहुंचोगे स्कूल के गेट पर तुम।
थोड़ा सा भी जो चले,
प्यार और नरमी से तुमको पढ़ाएंगे टीचर है ऐसे भले।
सच 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 प्रीत अब है यही स्कूल की, कभी टीचर ना बच्चों को मारे। सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे।
Hi Shrutika, how are you? Hi Nosheen, I am fine. How are you? I am fine. It's been a long time since I saw you in school. What should I tell you, friend? There is a lot of tension at home. What tension is going on at home? Every day there is a disturbance around the house due to drinking alcohol, because of which I am not able to study. Mummy comes home tired with less work. Friend, no one even asks me about my well-being. Do one thing. Why don't you talk to your school Didi or Bhaiya? Maybe we can find some solution. Yes, friend, you are right.
Stop this movement because everyone is running away towards a tempting darkness where name is dominant and the mouth of skill is shut. Holding the weapon of history, the protectors of the name are standing with their own truth. They have gone to fight the battle of existence. But whose truth? How much truth? Hey, do you want to die? Don't ask questions. This is your right. Your name, your people. Be fearless.
तुझमें हौसला है, तेरे जुनून के आगे अंबर बना ही मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला।
टूटी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, रब गया हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, रब गया हर मैदान फतेह।
Hi Aradhya, how are you?
I am not feeling well.
Why? What happened?
I am feeling very low today.
Do you remember Didi taught us that activity that day?
Which activity are you talking about?
It is grounding activity.
Yes, I remember that.
Now we will do a grounding activity. You can choose to close your eyes or keep it open, whatever feels comfortable to you. Be comfortable. You can sit or stand, whatever suits you. Keep your feet on the ground and see how that is feeling. Take a moment to notice the ground beneath your feet. Feel how the earth supports you. What do you notice? Is the ground warm, soft, cool, or hard? Just observe it. Now slowly bring your attention to your body. Notice how your feet feel in contact with the ground. Feel the weight of your body resting on your feet. Let your body be heavy and let the ground hold you. Take a deep breath through your nose. Hold it for a moment and then breathe out slowly through your mouth. Try to make your exhale longer than your inhales. Repeat this a few times at your own pace, feeling your body setting with each breath. Look around you. Notice 5 things that you can see. Say them out loud if you like. Next, notice 4 things that you can touch. Maybe it is the ground under your feet or the air on your skin. Now notice 3 things that you can hear, 2 things that you can smell, and 1 thing that you can taste. How are you feeling now? Are you noticing any changes in your body or mind? If you still feel a bit overwhelmed, let's take some more deep breaths and continue grounding until you feel okay.
Hello Didi.
Oh, hello Didi. Come and have a seat.
Who is she and why she is here?
What will you take? Tea or coffee?
No, thank you Didi. I am here to ask why your child is not coming to school.
She is not well from last 3 days. That is the reason we are not sending her to school.
How is she now? Have you taken her to the doctor?
Yes, Didi. Doctor said that she will get well by tomorrow and can go to school.
Okay Didi, please take care of the child and send her to school after her recovery.
Sanika, who was she and why did she came here? She is the social worker of my daughter's school and she came to ask me why my child is not coming to school.
Oh, no one ever comes to meet my daughter from school like this.
Hey, in my daughter's school, not only home visits are held, but parent classes are also held, in which we are told about financial planning, nutrition, cleanliness, menstruation, and digital literacy.
Oh wow, what a good job they are doing. Next year, I will get my daughter admitted in the school. Please bring the admission forms and let me know.
Sure.
Thank you.
जो सब करते हैं यारो वो क्यों हम तुम करें, यूं कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे, घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे, यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, अरे हमसे बच के रहना मेरी जान।
नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें
तो क्या जाता है पानी बाजी को जितना हमें आता है।
अभी तो इस बाज की असली उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो इस परिंदे का इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी अभी तो लांगा है मैंने समुद्रों को, अभी तो पूरा आसमान बाकी है।
In our school, we respect
alumni talk on walking to the lane. Let's see what all had happened.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नवीना हम है दिल है मर जाना दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रैसन वाला पर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर तो बस दीवानगी 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 है all hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti
Okay. So this is Shahid. This is from batch 2021. He was the Yellow House captain and handled the responsibility with great leadership. So Shahid, I have a question with you. What was that one quality that you learned in your leadership time that stayed with you?
The school helped me build a personality and the essence of respecting elders, and it has stayed with me throughout.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Shahid. This is Suhani and she loves literature circles and her vision is to contribute her learning with others. This is Aslan and he loves taking initiatives in school. So Aslan, I have a question for you as well. What was your biggest fear in school and how you overcame that?
My biggest fear at school time was my anger, and to overcome it was a difficult task. But my friends and teachers helped me a lot.
Wow, okay. And as you all know, this is Vishal. He is an excellent athlete of our school and shows great sportsmanship. This is Adina. She was student council member of batch 2022-2023. So Adina, since you were the student council member, can you tell us what were the managing skills that are still helping you, which you learned at that time in your journey?
I think being patient with every team member is really important. During discussions, we did not believe that only one opinion can be correct amongst all the group members, but instead, we took all the opinion into consideration and made one final decision so that nobody feels left out. This quality and these skills helped me after the schools and during the school.
Alright, thank you so much Adina. This is Seth. He is a constant learner and has worked relentlessly to contribute towards the school. So Seth, can you share with us how was playing different sports helping you in your journey effectively?
Sports has played an important role in my journey as a student. Consistency, discipline and decision making were the core values that I took from sports. A big thank you to Akanksha and its PE teachers to give me such opportunities and giving me an opportunity to showcase my talents and ability.
Okay, thank you so much Seth and thank you so much to everyone. I agree with all of them. Indeed, our school gave us the courage to dream and to fight back after every fall. To conclude this, I have a very small poetry that I really want to share with all of you. So please pay attention and listen. निकला हूँ घर से जिम्मेदारियों के पुकारने पर, निकला हूँ घर से जिम्मेदारियों के पुकारने पर, बैठ गया मैं थक के बीच रास्ते पर, एक आवाज अभी भी सुनाई देती है मुझे जो कहती है
Is this a school or a fish market?
Students, open your notebook and get ready for the class.
Sports and arts period for this class is cancelled.
Class B is better than Class A.
The class is going to wait after the school for detention.
No matter what, every child is special.
Alright, thank you so much. And now we have Omkar and Sara with a heartfelt message they want to share with us on this occasion. So let's welcome them with a big round of applause, everyone.
Within your walls, our story grew. Within your walls, our story grew. The world of dreams, a home so true. You held our hands through and every fall. You taught us to rise and stand tall.
Your classrooms echoed with youthful cheers. Your lessons stayed as the years grew near. Not just in books, but in hearts so wide, you planted hope. You became our guide.
The bell rang, the laughter soared. The bell rang, the laughter soared. The bonds we built, the love we stored. You were the cradle of our dreams, a magic place, so it seems.
Through trials faced and paths unknown, you made us strong. We weren't alone. With every step, your light we feel. Our love so deep, so pure, and so real. So that's the reason why we are the Gems.
Different learning stall was set up. Let's visit the stalls.
Suppose if you're not an expert, then where do I start?
Level 1, test level 1.
So we'll start from level 1.
Yeah, maybe we'll succeed here.
Very good, Amma. Thank you. बिना साफ किए
बिना साफ किए खाया उसका तो खराब हो गया फिर मैंने क्या बोला पुराने टी शर्ट को कट करके इसे नैपकिन से यूज करूंगा मैं अपने टिफिन वाली में
So this is a big question. How
What's the difference between sound and noise?
sound is a very
Sound is a voice that is vibrating particles.
Okay.
And noise is which amplitude is higher. When the amplitude is higher, it is noise. And when it is unpleasant or unwanted or disturbing, so it is noise.
Okay, take a continue.
we have a big question, and this is an essential questions. For example, what is noise pollution? How it is affecting on our schools and impact on our learning and health. And we are raising awareness about it. And we are raising awareness about it. This is our enduring understanding. In it, like what is noise pollution, and it is unwanted, unpleasant, it is very disturbing. Sources for it is in our school, is our school bell, our trolley, speaker, outside traffic, railway station.
The topic of our project is one day in the life of a vegetable seller. The name of the vegetable seller is Shri Suresh Pardesi.
The vegetable seller is not a vegetable seller. The vegetable seller, we have to give them respect as the uncle or auntie. So we take the interview of the vegetable seller uncle. They are so kind and helpful for us.
The vegetable seller works in all kind of weather, whether it is rainy, whether it is sunny, winter, etc.
Thank you.
The problem statement. Our school is taking first step towards better waste management by practicing subject practices. This project focuses on raising students' awareness, recycling plastics through art and composting We did a special experiment. We put a heart in the jar. Every time we were kind to someone, at the end of the week, we had so many hearts. It showed us how many kind things we did. The exploration area. We cleaned the area. After cleaning the area looked like this. We bordered the area. After bordering, we measured breadth and length. The breadth was 85 centimeter and length was 92 centimeter. After that, we calculate perimeter was 354 centimeter and area was 7,820 square centimeter. After that, we planted the plants and made a garden.
iPhone
in languages like Hindi, Marathi and English. And after that, we sorted them out in genres like non-fictional, fiction and picture books, all of that. And after that, we numbered them and cataloged them. We also discarded some books which were not in a good condition and also they were very old.
Sexual abuse, etc. So these are the few issues that came up. Then our team, this My Safe Space website was formed there. So now the journey was this website is this is the form. If any, this is the form. Any student is suffering from.
और हमारे स्कूल में भी ऐसे बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स हैं जिनको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती या व्हाट्सअप उस टाइप के मैसेज से समझ में नहीं आते जिनको, इसलिए फिर हमने सोचा कि अभी आप पेरेंट्स को कैसे सब समझाएं, इसलिए स्टूडेंट को ट्रेन किया गया कि वो सब कैसे पढ़ाएंगे। स्टूडेंट ने पेरेंट्स को सेशन देंगे, मैंने फिर पेरेंट्स को पढ़ाया 35 पेरेंट्स सीखे थे गूगल ट्यूटोरियल QR कोड कैसे स्कैन करते हैं। उसके बाद हमने प्रोजेक्ट उमंग चालू किया, उसमें क्या उसमें हमने पेरेंट्स डिजिटल डिनर चालू किया, तो स्टूडेंट हमें पढ़ाते हैं, सब कम्युनिटी में जाके सब पेरेंट्स को पढ़ाते हैं।